Ooh, they're loving them cookies. Going nuts. Let's see what happens if I open the door here. Let me zoom up a little bit. Let's see what happens. They're not dangerous. Don't you worry. Some of them are scared of it, some of them are not. So they're calling others to say, hey, there's something to eat, I got something to eat. I don't mind them doing this because it's mostly during the day and evening. They will be probably done with this in a short time. It isn't that much. My neighbors may not like it, but I think I'm just gonna wait until they come and complain. Oh well.